Alex and Jamie were sitting together on a bench in the park, enjoying the sunny afternoon. Alex turned to Jamie and said, "Hey Jamie, I noticed you were smoking earlier. Have you ever thought about quitting?" Jamie sighed and replied, "Yeah, I've thought about it, but it's really hard to stop." "Why do you ask?" "Well," Alex began, "smoking has so many bad effects. I care about your health." "Do you know what smoking does to your body?" Jamie shook his head. "I know it's not good, but what exactly does it do?" "Smoking can damage your lungs and make it hard to breathe," Alex explained. "It can cause lung diseases like bronchitis and emphysema." Jamie looked concerned. "That sounds serious." "I always thought I could just quit later," Alex nodded. "It's serious. It can also cause heart problems. Smoking makes your heart work harder and can lead to heart disease." Jamie was surprised. "I didn't realize it affected the heart too." "What else?" "It can cause cancer," Alex continued, "not just in the lungs, but also in the mouth, throat, and many other parts of the body." "Wow, I didn't know it was that bad. Anything else I should know?" Jamie asked, looking worried. "Yes," Alex said, "smoking can affect your appearance too. It can cause wrinkles, yellow teeth, and bad breath." Jamie sighed again. "I definitely don't want that. But quitting is really tough, I understand," Alex said sympathetically. "There are ways to get help, like talking to a doctor, using nicotine patches, or joining a support group. Maybe I should try some of those," Jamie said thoughtfully. "Thanks for the information, Alex. I really need to think about quitting. I'm here to support you, Jamie," Alex said, smiling. "Quitting smoking is hard, but it's worth it for your health and well-being." "Thanks, Alex. I appreciate your concern and support. I'll give it a try," Jamie said, feeling hopeful. "You can do it, Jamie. Let's take it one step at a time," Alex encouraged. With that, they beamed.